All right, we just got in the river. Say hey, Kelly. They said that 65% of people are falling out today. And the rapids are going a little bit faster than normal. Come on, Matt. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous today. Oh, that's cold. So there was recent flooding here, so we're experiencing some of that in the rapid. We gotta go back. No. Come on. Matt's down there swimming for two. He's got Kelly hanging on to him for dear life. Okay, I think we're coming up on a bit of a rapid. Kelly is paddling her best to get away. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. We have gotten separated. Kelly's leading the pack way down there, and she didn't fall out. None of us have fallen out. There's Matt on the left and Kelly's on the right in the far, far distance. Kelly, how's your experience? What? No, I steered clear of the bad part. We're good.
You're good. You're good. Hold on. I got you. I got you.
You've got me turned.
I got you.
Okay.
Watch
there.
out. All right.
Okay. Here we go.
Here we go. Go. Watch out. Right
Whoa.
there. Move. Got it. Got it. You're good. Good. Good job. Good job. Get over here and grab us. I think we're done with all the rapids. I think we're done with the rapids.
This is interesting. You sure there's not any more?
I don't think so. Not too.
You ain't been here since the flood. The flood that washed away nature. That's the way we came from. You go under one pedestrian bridge, two pedestrian bridges, and then you go under this car bridge in the distance, and you get off on the left, and you're done. Then one last go, Kelly. One last go. I hit my butt and it hurts. Get me, get me, get me. Tell me about your experience, Kelly. It's the America life jacket.